Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to take a look at Samsung Galaxy A31. This is the blue version. Here we have the paperwork. The box, we have a fast charging brick, Type-C cable and headphones. Also we have a SIM ejection tool. Infinity U display, quad camera and on-screen fingerprint. So basically in hand this feels like the little brother of the Samsung Galaxy A51. So now let's turn on the device and take a look. Basically, I'm just gonna skip everything and go to the menu. Okay, so on the right side we have the volume buttons and the power button. On the left side we have the SIM tray. On the bottom we have the charging port, 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, and the speakerphone and the microphone. While on the back we have the quad camera setup, and this is plastic. This is not a glass back, this is a plastic back. Cheap material, but it looks cool. Okay, all done. You can now see. Okay. First impressions, I'm liking this display. The AMOLED display here, even the wallpaper is nice. Yeah, definitely this is kind of like an upgrade from A30s. Yeah. Let's go to settings, see the Android version. We have Android 10 with One UI of 2.1. Let's open the camera app. Rear video size is up to 1080p with 30 frames per second, so not 60 frames per second here. That is not surprising because we also don't have 60 frames per second on the A71. That is the, let's say, bigger brother of this. Even that doesn't have 60 frames per second. But in video mode we have ultra wide, and this has like kind of good stabilization. But I will do a video test so you guys can watch more. We also featured on this phone have a macro lens. Now this video is being recorded on iPhone 11. See, macro lens, it's used to when the phone is very close. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it captures it. The macro lens captures it. So yeah, we have a macro lens, a wide angle camera, we have a depth sensor, and the normal camera, which is 48 megapixels. On these AMOLED displays, I like to go in dark mode because it's much more beautiful that way. Also on the toggles here we have some new toggles: music share, call and text on other devices, etc. Now let's go to settings. Nothing new basically, just same old. Settings preview. Okay, so now I need to wait until every app here on this phone is installed. So these gray icons here will turn in normal, just like calculator here or every other app. Now to wrap this up, this phone will cost you around 250 euros. And on that price point, I would recommend you get this one because it's better than the A50. It has more features and it's newer. And for a phone that is newer, for 250 euros with this gorgeous display, I would recommend it. Look at this gorgeous display. This is why you're buying this phone, for a 1080p display and camera features. Because basically you can go ahead and buy a normal A30 or A30s, but you're buying this phone for the macro lens and the better 1080p display. Also, I would like to say that this phone is more compact in hand. So yeah, I would totally recommend you buying this phone. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.